Welcome to a recipe for vegan guacamole in Botswana. We have the ingredients: 1 avocado, half an onion, half a lemon, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, 1 piece of garlic and sesame seeds. So first we cut the avocado into 2 pieces and take the soft part out and put it into a bowl. We cut half an onion into small pieces. We smash the avocado so that we have a creamy texture. We add the onion and mix them together with the avocado. We cut 1 piece of garlic into small pieces and add them into the bowl. We squeeze half a lemon and take the juice out, also mix it together with the avocado in the bowl. 1 teaspoon of salt herb mix. That's it. We mix it all together and then we can serve it with some chapati, for example. Looks great. Enjoy!